This is the shadow method for adding and subtracting negative and positive integers. That's integers. A possible original method by yours truly, Melissa Godwin. So when we're talking about positive integers in this video, they're going to be represented in green. And negative integers are going to be represented in black. So if you have two positive integers, such as 4 plus 7, you're going to consider just the person themselves and not their shadow. But as we know, everything has a shadow. But in this particular problem, we're only considering the positive numbers. So we have 4 plus 7, and that makes a positive 11. Easy, right? Let's look at a different one. This problem is asking us to add 4 Peter Pans and 7 Peter Pan shadows. So we're going to take these shadows and remove them because we don't need to consider those. And we're going to take these Peter Pans and remove them because we don't need to consider those. We're going to match these up one for one. They actually cancel each other out. And what we're left with is 3 Peter Pan shadows. Let's look at the next one. What if we have something like this? What if we have 3 shadow Tinkerbells being added to 5 Tinkerbells? We're not considering these 3 Tinkerbells, and we're not considering the shadows of these 5 Tinkerbells. We're going to match them up one for one. The matches cancel each other out, and we're left with a total of 2 Tinkerbells. But what if we have something like this where we're being asked to take away 5 negatives from 3 negatives? Well, we really have to read this from left to right and consider what it's asking. It's asking us to only consider the negative, the shadow Tinkerbells, 3 shadow Tinkerbells, and to take away the 5 shadow Tinkerbells. And that leaves us with 3 shadow Tinkerbells and 5 Tinkerbells. We're going to match them up one to one. They cancel each other out. And that leaves us with 2 Tinkerbells. And there you have it, folks. The shadow method for adding and subtracting negative and positive integers. Possibly an original thought by Melissa Godwin. I hope that helps.